Breaking a sugar addiction requires gradual lifestyle changes rather than drastic measures. Start by focusing on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, and high-fiber foods, which can help stabilize your blood sugar levels and reduce cravings. Avoid skipping meals, as this often leads to intense hunger and impulsive sugar consumption later on. Incorporating regular exercise into your routine not only helps to reduce stress but also supports the regulation of hunger hormones, making it easier to resist sugary snacks. Additionally, prioritize good sleep, as a lack of rest can increase cravings for sugar and make it harder to make healthy choices throughout the day. Staying hydrated is also crucial. Often, our bodies mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary sugar intake. Keeping a food journal can provide valuable insights into your eating habits, helping you track your sugar consumption and identify specific triggers that lead to cravings. If you find yourself struggling with these changes, don't hesitate to seek support from healthcare professionals who can provide guidance tailored to your needs. Remember to be patient with yourself during this process, and celebrate small victories to maintain motivation on your journey to a healthier relationship with sugar.